So what is functional programming? Well, functional programming is one of the many programming paradigms or styles of programming. You have probably heard of object-oriented programming. That's another popular programming paradigm or style of programming. Each of these paradigms has certain rules about how you should structure your code to solve problems. Functional programming was invented in the 1950s, but it has become quite trendy over the past few years. In a nutshell, functional programming is about decomposing a problem into a bunch of small and reusable functions that take some input and return a result. They don't mutate or change data. With this structure, we can compose these functions to build more complex functions. Now, what are the benefits? Well, these small functions tend to be more concise, easier to debug, easier to test, and more scalable because we can run many function calls in parallel and take advantage of multiple cores of a CPU. So these are the reasons why functional programming has gained a lot of popularity over the past few years. Now, there are languages that are specifically designed for functional programming, such as Clojure and Haskell. JavaScript is a multi-paradigm programming language. It's not a pure functional language. So it has some caveats that you need to be aware of, but we can still apply functional programming principles in JavaScript. And that's what I'm going to show you throughout the rest of this section.